Alright, welcome guys again. Welcome guys, we're back again. We did the first part. Some of our viewers or subscribers wanted me to cover the flyover in Turntable, and some they want me to cover the coastal road, Turntable. So right now we are in Turntable. So this is the flyover bridge. So it's under construction. I believe this is the second flyover after the Turntable one. This is the second flyover. They're doing the scaffolding and they're setting up like the way they did flyover in Coastal Road. So that's toward the airport. So this is the second flyover. So I'm not sure how many flyovers they're gonna have in total, but so far this is the second structure they kind of a build. They start, kind of a build, not completed yet, but I believe it's the same structure as the first one, which is the Turntable, sorry, Coastal Road. So now we are, that's nice mangoes too. I'll come back and buy some. How much are they? I'm going to Jambo. When I come out, buy some. How much are they? 200. I'll come and get some. It's 200, which is good. But I'm going opposite side. I don't want to be carrying a lot of load. I don't want to be carrying a lot of load with me. So far I got a handful of stuff with me. I got my GoPro, and I got my phone on my right, and I got my strap bag, and I got a hat as well. So it's quite a lot of load, as you can see. So yeah, well yeah, let's go. So this is it. This is the way to the airport. This direction here. I believe it will be when it comes from Senegambia. The first exit. Which way are you coming actually? Are you driving? Which the first exit on the left, the Brewfoot, and this will be the second exit toward the airport, and that will be the third exit towards Sukuta and Brusubi Phase 2. And yeah, and that will be the fourth exit going back towards Senegambia. So basically, it's how many exits again? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like it's 4 exits with a flyover. One is built or the Turntable or roundabout. So this is it. So I hope that explanation is clear there. So it all depends how they. Because in Gambia we drive on the left side of the road, and the steering wheels are on your left. It's not like the UK, the steering wheel is on the right. And the UK vehicles, when they imported the vehicle from the UK, when you import a vehicle from the UK, you have to convert the steering wheel. I believe this kind of car vehicles we get in the UK, they mainly get shipped from the UK and they get it converted from right to left. So I'm trying to cross the road. Yeah, we got away. You got to be careful. You got to be careful when you come in. You come this end, you have to be very careful. Here, everyone is waiting for vehicles to happen. Slowly. Angay jël sa toog bi ya mun naa toog ah ndax des jam jërëjëf waay amin Allah jërëjëf waay thank you. It's always nice to be nice and be respectful, be polite. So the guy looked like a Sheikh or Sharif or a Marable, so you got to be careful, because there's some people you don't mess around. Anyway, pray for us. Pray for everyone. Any prayers I receive is for all of us, guys. And any cause, we together in this, okay? So we together in this. If there is any issue, we all got to join it. If any prayers, we'll share it. We'll share everything, okay? It's a family. It's our Back to Africa family. So we are creating a family, not only friends, but same as a family. I'm here for you guys. I'm sure you guys will be here for me too, in case of anything. I'm not saying there will be emergency or I might be in trouble, but you never know. You never know. I'm sure there's baristas, solicitors, lawyers, police, immigration, all of you following me. All over, doctors, lawyers, you know. So I believe you guys got my back, right? So we're not going to cause no trouble, but just in case. But we try to do things in the right way. Alright, we are going to head to Sukuta traffic light, and from Sukuta traffic light, I will change, you know. Some of these windows don't go up, don't go down. Luckily, this one is functioning good. So we are in Turntable, so they call it for traffic light, and we head our journey to Jambo. Let's see. Hopefully I got enough storage here. Journey. But if not, we'll just have to create some space. Let me pause it. Let's pause it and then we'll come back. Let's start the journey back. Let's go back. Just affirmate. Phone holder is bit wobbly. Anyway, the GoPro SD card is in here. It's in my PC. I forgot it last night. I didn't take it out. But we'll show you. Okay, let's do it this way. We're looking right in the front. Kibaro ji meni afata walem alquran almubarak ni dal mu ñon xamal la dara jaralo da fa nek mu di mol jara ci ko di di mol fara telon te jamal bi jeme yalla koy ko wal jara e be dame walem ko do bi ci yakki di la mani jamu menti wala ci ni ko na ba do kala yi ma ni la ko mom barna tare mari be jampa ne no ko ma di 718 da jesam communication pare bulo dun sama da kibaro ni ko do le ko mam fan na men na walem mobile wa ko di fele di gram ko yele website ko na men o da mobile o ci bulo ati ni di gram ji ko yesu ko credit ko da jesam communication pala de ko ko traffic light o da ko di ma ko do ko di jam ko wa pel di la di gram ji dal be jaman da mo ron ci ba ci bay ko da da ji communication ya ko da ko ko do gi ani ka ko ba ko da da ma ya lo ko de wani ya de la ko da la dikral ba janni mbako labe de jama bunda patel beri kama ba so bala da men ko ban ba kere da dikral ba ta e ba ban la ban ko le kala ko ko kira na kero le ba ko da ko kira kara ko ne mala ayo mo ran ko ta ni la tariya ta la na ko ta Kordan ko da maya ko alo ko na nyot ko ta ji an ko ne la kinol da ko ne da men ko wa
babal suka an ke sok ni nam dikrati be yalla ko wolde ka ton ni ma wa yalla ko adiyata ba ke ga jito bay ibe la prim ba te la we ke ke la prim wala ke tin wala to slide ke ke la prim wala te la dikrati be yalla ko wala be banko de ba ta ba te yela ko nyabo wala de ben do la banko ke be la prim ka mo tere ni ke la banko kan ki fa wati fa la ta wala ba da la ya na pe na ko ya sante pere dikrati ko yela sa ba ba ye dikrati do ani dikrati ko rastro wala be yalla ko la gamaro ya ta ba ke de do ya ta ki no ke Kaya su zero men son kono ito odan kinuha na hindi kira yung dole. Alay kumandi kila nung bado. May alam ko ko 764-175. 764-175. 390-4170. 390-4170. Bakalipat sa abulan to, yun ang dikira di may alam ko wala ka mo pwede bangko kanyang kitang bakumura lang makabangko ka. Lalo bera po na bagay ato sila mo pikir. Diye bon diya yen samba kumura le mo mi alam ko iba ka mori le kasare pele ko jadi wato mi alam ke mura na. Ina ya sabu mo dati la ando ka ke mo mi alam ko ko joro ke tali ya puye bon di bangko kanyang samba kumura. Ali kumandira number 9880987 9880987 3516852 ala haji batura jabi dua jabi modem dua jabi la bara sanu sanji tan sababa dua kam modera dua bigal abota dame wala kiara sunu ko bala brale ara jesi do wala lati kan ngata bay be wala kono ba wala fenne je bala me yalla ko ma kala ko de ala haji batura jabi ade wala ya commandi ala number 9841076 Oban Group Construction Company ñu nam dig tradi me yalla ko wala be la be do da fay bank kera ko di yalla ko la do be la ko do ba ke ni soran di dal yewre pour andi la ko do ni andi la di tradi ka ci mo di kala man kan kala na la pour kono kana ba fanna o fanna ina ya sabu mo da de le ka do ko ni le fanan ka nyama ina la brinke la mo ken ka do ro be na firi wala ba kan kara be na firi wala be mo fere di yalla ko wala be ke ni do ro kala le ka tel Plus bedara masingo be bul bay yalla ko be koronori pour la do ko ni ay bang e kala mo di yalla ko be ma ko la ka je ko do ko ni ay ta nyama da blokol fana ba ta ba ke jorol ni ki so ya de ferol la de me yalla ko be joro kala wala atare ma bata e fana le kala ba avenue vista bank be da men do be wolbe commandi ila number 2555761 2555761 Fanka dan sof yinam dikrati me yalan ko wolle be musol la nyim bay nyimal wafkan tres bay nyimal be bul me yalan ko be wafikan ke bay nyimal be bul be men wafikan abaya payon nyim oyo fal nyimal be bul be gi nyol me yalan ko musul kala fala bakke jama wa sandiro be walla ani yalla jama wa firo ani kili wa firo be walla ifela len ne ma Johnson fong be dame ke la bayol be bondi dame wala sen banko kan ti mo basilon de jangol ta suni ata bakke jama ke bul fane muru ya sen ka wa kan bi e profilo sono You commanding in a number 7271402 7271402 5105876 5105876 Center for Language and Professional Studies in the International Open University la Pulo la Koto many yalam ko pang ibe ma ko la yeke modi mi yalam ko yekka mo moy ko be la bringa angare ka ngole moy ba wala mo mol mi yalam ko be la bringa arabo ko ngolo moy be ma ko la bari buku tang anim pula exam ye wala ke yemen soto ame nya fa be la bringa ka tin kan International Open University Pulo yele me yalam ka be karan la English mathematics general science biology chemistry physics geography anim financial accounting economics ko ba be karan la opanal be la Ifala le 21 kane fi Maxroad memo Iceman kero solo de wala liye kumandi ida number 3838938 Kibaro ni abira na kere wana community radio be bari butolan ko da para fenya community radio kibaro bina ni talan saba taxi FM member pati kibaro bina ni talan saba bansa na community radio kibaro bina ni wadi kine wala Kibaro ni pana bina na WhatsApp group all be kono Gambia all news kinga ko sankala barandi ni WhatsApp group jamal kibaro bina ni dal be to ka ko ya baraka bagi ka na ko ma ko nya ka jefa wolu men kana kibaro di Allah wala malati di mal Ibrahima Dia alamin kanya wala kalori
Alright, we're up the vehicle. So we are heading, this is Sukuta traffic light. That's where we're coming from, Sukuta. This is Costa Road Airport, and this is Java. Jabang Highway. Jabang, Jambo. You can take it all the way from south. So we are heading to Jambo, and hopefully if it's not too hot, we'll cover. It's too hot here. My phone is indicating the temperature. It's indicating it's too hot, so probably it might be a good idea just to take a break, let the phone cool down, because it's actually hot. It's really hot. It is actually hot. So let's just take a bit of break. We can film. We can shoot the Coastal Road and the other flyover. But for now, I'm gonna join the vehicle here to Jambo, and then we'll carry on later. Assalamu alaikum, Jambo. Jambo is that side. Sometimes it's on the left, sometimes it's on the right. It all depends on the controller. Yeah, just see. Cross, yeah, we can cross. It's safe to cross, so let's go. Assalamu alaikum. One more time, Jambo. B. Sikana. It's further down. Sikana means further down. Well, anyway, guys. Let me just pause it and then we'll come back. Assalamu alaikum, Dad. One more time.